got one. What is it? Chub. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's been hard going fishing this last few weeks with the weather and the heat wave. Water temperatures have been in some parts in the northwest have been up to above 25, and this river that I fish on has been up to 21, but I think the temperatures dropped slightly when I've been looking on the apps. So I'm going to type temperature reading and see what it is, and hopefully I can maybe catch perch and chub. We'll see. Anyway, I'll get set up and get back. Right, I'm just fishing the nymph. See if there's any perch going to bite. When the farmer's gone past on his little 4x4 and just disturbed the water further up, so it's got a bit cloudy, so they might start feeding. As any insects come downstream. Loads of minnows around my feet. So last time I were here, they were taking the Hares Ear Nymph with a perch. Maybe I need to put that on. Got one. What is it? Chub. Go over. Oh, there you go. Well, there you go. Targeting chub and perch, and that's what it was. Chub. Put some mud on here. What's on? Minnow, I bet. Perch. Oh, yeah. A little perch. So they're here. Come here. There. It's a beautiful colour. Look. Off you go, little fella. So they are here now. They might have moved in. What's going on? Oh! We're a big one then. Come here. Yes, got one there. Perch. Nice. Nice colours, aren't they? Right, I've just put the iridescent evil on. Gold-head evil weevil nymph. 'Cause I've had nothing for half an hour. Let's see if we can get any more perch. There's a perch there, a little one. Side of my feet. Farmer's just been over. Lots of weed or hair coming down. Coming up round my feet because the water's getting mucky with farmer going over. Swallowed down the squirmy wormy. Total greed. Oh no. going to put a tungsten head on to get it down because I'm up to my thighs. And I want to make sure it gets right down to the where the perch are. Farmer's been back over, so it's all muddy again. There must be. There's 20 perch all around just in front of me. Little ones, well, little ones. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. That's 3 perch and a chub on the nymph. Trout are well hidden. They've gone into the depths and on the rocks to get out of this sun. Anyway, hopefully it'll rain next couple of weeks. Thanks. See you in a bit.